Welcome back, peer structure traders, for another market analysis for the London session and potentially into the US session. Today is March 31st, 2021, and will be April 1st, 2021 in London. Today we're going to be going over S&P 500 and also gold, give you guys some levels that we're looking at to trade off of, and potentially those levels could hold up into the US session. So let's go ahead and get started. We had a nice move to the upside here on S&P. Didn't catch too much of the move on the upside. Did catch a couple shorts here off of my level of resistance for the US session. And then a short right around our next level of resistance, right around these 80s. I know it popped up to about 84, and then from there we saw the market try to pull back down from that level. And right now, what are we going to be looking out for S&P? Honestly, really want to see that market pull somewhere down here into a level of support at 39.54.25, and then maybe get that support to push up. If that does not happen, then I'm looking for the market to get down between these 33 to 39s as the area of support, and then see if we can catch the support from there. That's what I'm going to be looking for. Now, we may have this slight minor level right in this area right here that could hold this support. Now, if you don't know how to trade these minor levels, it's best for you to stay away from it. But if you do got a level there as an area of support, that could actually be the move to continue that move back to the upside in this bullish trend that we're in. So you may want to look out for that level. I'll give you guys that level right here. So that's going to be somewhere right around these 62, 63s as a level of support for a continuational move. Now that when looking back is a key level actually that we could potentially see this market try to bounce right back up from. So we did bounce one time. Do want to see if it actually pops back through. I would like it to get above these 74s for that convincing move back up, but we'll see what happens. Again, this is our more recent or more closer level that we'd be looking for a continuational bullish move. Underneath that 54.25, and then those 39 to about 33s as the support level. So we'll see what happens. We do got some resistance sitting at 39.70 anyway right there, so we'll see if it actually holds this area. If not, it will head back up into 39.80 and then try to push maybe even those 4,000s. We'll see if we can actually get S&P to actually touch 4,000 and above that. We'll see if it wants to do that. On underneath these 33s, I am looking for the market to try to pull deeper into 39.07, then 39.01.25. So that's going to be my levels of support underneath that. We do got some levels below 39.01, but we'll touch up on those as price action moves closer into those levels. For now, we'll just keep up the ones that are more recent. Let's take a look at a smaller chart here on S&P. So you can see on this smaller chart on S&P 500, you can see that we are trying to pull down into a support of 39.63. You can see us touch it one time, and then we try to pull deeper into that level a second time. So again, we may end up pulling here and then getting the bounce. If not, we'll pull deeper underneath and then try to touch those 52 to 56s, see if we can actually get some support at that level. If we do go bullish from this area again, try to retest these levels, more slight levels. You may want to take some off at 76, then 39.80 as levels of resistance, and then look for the above move from there. Let's take a look at gold here, see what we got on gold. Gold, from a strong downtrend, has been trying to move its way back up. We are at a key level of resistance, 17.15 even. We could actually see the market try to double top this area here, and then move way back to the downside here. So we could see it stall here, and then if it fails or exhausts at that level, look for the support to come in at 1706.9 or 1702.3 as a level of support to support this price for a continued move into the resistance and potentially through that. If we don't support here at 02.3, look for the support to come in somewhere around these 1694.7s, and then below that we may have either right here as a level, 1683.9, or more of a major area for me is going to be these 1678.4s. We get through those 1715s, you could see the market actually pull into these 23s and maybe stall there. If not, look to head up to 1728 even, and then above that. That's going to be what we're looking for on gold. Let's take a look at a smaller picture here on gold, give you guys some closer views on that. As you can see, we touched our level of 1715 already and rejected that price. We actually got through it a little bit. You can see price popped above it a little bit here, but then came right back down. So we do want to hold support on top of those 1715s. If we don't get that support holding 1715, and we just chop through that level, we more than likely will see the market try to pull right back down. You can see how much times we had this market retest this area, get above it, but never hold support on top of it, and then started to move its way right back down to the downside. So we'll see if that actually happens again here on gold, if we break through the level but don't hold that support. If we do get through it, you do want to see that supporting hold on top, and then a continued move up to our next level resistance. We could look for a double top here and then get that move down. For the support idea, 1706.9, want to see it hold nicely, that support there, and then get that continued move back to the upside, at least the middle, and then the actual top of resistance from there. Underneath that 1702.3 again is going to be our level of support that we're looking for the market to bounce off of and continue that bullish move that we seem to be running right now. From a strong bearish trend, we're trying to move right back up from this area and get bullish again. So we'll see what happens on S&P 500 and also gold as the price moves into our levels. Other than that, guys, that is it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed these videos. If you guys did, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys are, thank you very much for watching and liking these videos. Again, Pure Structure Trading will be opening April 1st, so very exciting stuff. If you guys are interested in learning and joining the team, feel free to put your email in there. The website, I believe, again, is up and running. So we will message you guys via email as soon as everything completely opens. Again, if you guys have any questions, though, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube, or you can message us at Pure Structure Trading. You guys take care. Have a great night. Trade well.